Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring how you can turn your passion for AI into a lucrative source of income. I'm Lucas, and this is Genius Insights. If you're ready to harness the power of AI for financial success, let's jump right in. Before we get into the strategies, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation. Ensure you have a good understanding of AI concepts and technologies. If you're new to the field, consider taking online courses or attending workshops to sharpen your skills. One of the quickest ways to monetize your AI skills is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer a variety of AI-related gigs, from data annotation to machine learning model development. Build a compelling portfolio and start bidding on projects to showcase your expertise. Content is king, and the AI space is no exception. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast where you share your insights, tutorials, and updates on the latest AI trends. As your audience grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even launching your online courses. If you're up for a challenge, consider developing AI products. This could be anything from a specialized AI tool to a mobile app with AI capabilities. Market your product online and explore platforms like GitHub to collaborate with other developers. Don't forget to protect your property. Companies worldwide are eager to integrate AI into their operations. Position yourself as an AI consultant offering guidance on implementation strategies. Additionally, for training sessions or workshops to businesses looking to upskill their employees in AI technologies, whether you're freelancing, creating content, developing products, or consulting, the opportunities to make money with AI are vast. Remember, success in this field requires continuous learning and adaptability. Stay tuned to Genius Insights for more insights into the dynamic world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy coding. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for listening to Genius Insights. Have a great day.